Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. I just want to let you guys know I have a new series that's on Saturdays when I work on the series. It's not every Saturday, but it will be airing on Saturdays called How to Make Money on YouTube. And I'm giving you all my tips on what I've experienced over the years and all of the things that I do know I'm sharing with you. So if anybody's interested in doing YouTube, be sure to watch those videos because I'll teach you about marketing and social media and all that stuff, about channels and what to do to earn a living on YouTube, okay? You guys ready? Let's do this Southern hamburger steaks in mushroom brown gravy. Come on in close. All right, let's run down some of these ingredients. We have bone broth, we have mushrooms, we have kitchen, I think it's pronounced bouquet, and it's kind of a flavoring for your gravy. We have salt, we have egg, we have ground beef, we have onion, we have pepper, Worcestershire sauce, I guess that's how you pronounce it, right? You got olive oil and garlic powder, breadcrumbs, flour, and delicious, awesome, thick cut bacon. All right, so the first thing you want to do is cook your bacon. We're going to need 6 pieces of bacon cut and chopped, and then dice your onions. Those are the first 2 steps. So let's take care of that right now. All right, guys, you guys ready? Here we go. Favorite part. I just dump everything in. In goes the bacon. In goes the breadcrumbs. In goes the egg. Boop. I dig on mixing stuff together. And carefully put your onions in. There's a lot of onions in this. I don't know if I'm going to use them all. I think I'm just going to use those. Okay. And then our 3 seasonings are in here. Get that in there. Shake it around because we're going to be mixing this in a second. All right, so I can't get into a latex glove, so I'm just going to use a food service glove to grab this food and get it all mixed together. Look at that yolk. Ugh, I love squeezing yolk. Watching it gush out. Oh, it's going to be delicious. And then once you're done mixing this, we're going to turn it all into patties, okay? First off, we're going to heat up some oil in your favorite skillet. Okay, the second thing you're going to do is take the hamburger patty, coat it with flour, and then fry it in the hot oil. Okay, once you've browned and cooked on one side of the patty, you're going to flip them over and cook on the other side. Add a little water to the skillet after you've taken all the patties out. You put them on a plate to rest, then pour a little water in. And then saute your onions in that drippings and water until the onions are caramelized. So while we're caramelizing the onions, let's throw in our gravy mixture before we take it over to the skillet. So first thing we're going to do is put in our flour. Put in our salt and pepper. Now I got my dry ingredients, so I'm just going to stir that around so it kind of gets equally distributed. There we go. Then we put in our bone broth. Beef bone broth, not chicken. Then we're going to put in our water, Worcestershire sauce, and our gravy flavoring kitchen. I'm using Kitchen Bouquet. You can use Gravy Master or Kitchen Bouquet. And mix it all up. Okay, onions are cooked down. They look beautiful, so now it's time to put in our gravy mixture. Lower your flame a little bit and just pour it right in. You're going to simmer your patties in the gravy for about 20 minutes, every 5 minutes turning it over, so that you can really get the gravy on all the patties. Okay guys, this is the part of the show where I make a mistake and I correct myself. I forgot to put the mushrooms in. They should have been put in before the patties. But that's okay. We're just going to put them in now. And then we're going to slowly work the mushrooms into the gravy. And you're never going to know the difference. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, guys. It's all done. You ready? Time to plate this beautiful dish. Look at that. That looks amazing. All bubbly and delicious. So the smart way to do this is to place your patties or your steaks or whatever you want to call it. Place that on first and then gently pour your gravy on top with the mushrooms and the onions, because you're probably not going to pour it all on there. Okay guys, we got it all plated, so let's give this a try now.
I'll take your fork.
Do you love that? I was wishing for a fork, and she brought me a fork. All right, so let's give this a try. We're gonna let that cool. This is piping hot. This is way, way hot. Smells amazing. The gravy just got thicker and thicker, and the mushrooms cooked in there, and the onions are in there. Oh man, there is so much inside that patty. Not just the gravy, but man, the bacon inside the patty, the garlic inside the patty, the onions inside the patty. This is dinner. So we're gonna enjoy our dinner. You guys, you gotta make this one. This is almost like a comfort food, even though it's really, I don't know if it is. I added extra pepper, so there's extra black pepper in there, and you can taste in the gravy. It's abundanza.